In this video, we'll deploy PostgreSQL on Cuemby Cloud. We'll configure the instance, select the necessary resources, and launch the deployment from the platform, configuring parameters such as the password required to deploy the application. PostgreSQL is a well-known open-source relational database recognized for its stability, performance, and ability to support applications that need to handle structured and reliable data. While Cuemby Cloud prepares the environment, it's also important to understand how the solution will function within the client's infrastructure. For example, the network aspect. Will the database be available only internally, or will it also require a public IP address for controlled external connections? Once provisioning is complete, we'll verify that PostgreSQL is operational and ready to connect to applications, services, or management tools. The goal of this deployment is to demonstrate that with Cuemby Cloud, we can have PostgreSQL up and running in just a few steps, with a clear foundation of infrastructure, connectivity, and backups for much more reliable operation.